Hello everybody, so today I am going to be coloring in these 3 canvases today. I'm really excited, so let's start. So these canvases are actually like connected and super cool because they form an image like this, and it's actually like a cool hanging decoration that I can put on my wall in my bedroom. So I'm really excited to color this in, and this also has 6 markers, but I'm also going to be using my own markers to have more variety of colors. And yeah, I can't wait. So let's go ahead and open it and get started already because I just can't wait. Alright, so here I have my scissors. And we're going to go ahead and just poke a hole in there. Woo, that was loud. Alright, so we can kind of open it now. So let's kind of move our canvas like this so we can paint. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, can't wait to do these. Yeah. Oh wait, we can kind of set it like that, yeah. Alright, so here I have some green colors that I'm going to use. So these are my touch markers that I'm going to be using for this. Mostly, but I might use some other markers. These are more of my coloring markers, so most like these ones. Let's kind of do the green leaves. I'm going to try these markers right here. Maybe these will do better. Oh, they have a hole in them. That's funny. Yeah, these work way better actually with the canvas. Oop, careful not to go outside the lines. That won't be good. Yeah, that's looking good. I like how it's like a pastel shade. I love that. Oh wow, look at how light dark it is. It's very smooth. Well, the good news is these markers work very well with it. So as y'all can see, I'm coloring in the leaf right over here, and it looks super duper pretty. I wanted this to look very colorful and amazing, and I did also speed up the video, by the way, because I did not want the video to be like really long, because this project did take me quite a while because there were 3 canvases and I wanted to spend a good amount of time on each one. So as you can see, I'm coloring it in. I kind of planned out the color scheme and everything and absolutely loved it. It looked super awesome and amazing. Alright, so for the flower, I'm going to do these colors for the petals and hope that looks good. So I'm going to do gradient style again, maybe. So after that, I basically started on the flowers and stuff, and as you can see, it looks super awesome so far. I basically like colored in most of them right here for this one, and I basically chose lots of pretty beautiful bright colors, and I did want it to have like a little bit of like a cool pattern and stuff to make it look nice and bright. So basically like my theme was colorful and aesthetic, but then I also wanted to be like a summer vibe, so basically I chose lots of colors for that. And I love the pink and orange color combo. That looks super awesome and I really liked it, so I kind of did lots of pink and red and yellow colors, but then I also wanted to add purple in because that is my favorite color, of course, so I also added that in the flower right over there. And then of course the leaves, I wanted to keep the same style, nice and colorful with some different shades of green, and I think it looked pretty cool at the end because I wanted it to look quite similar for some of them. Like the canvases, I didn't want them to look completely different from each other because then they won't go together. So yeah, basically I did that, and here I also made these super pretty flowers with like cool gradients. So this one I did yellow and blue, and then I also did a yellow and red one right over there with also a little bit of orange. And then here I was moving on to the second canvas, and as you can see, it's kind of connecting, so I basically continued the same color pattern and connected it. So pink and blue for this flower right over here, so I continued that, and it looked super awesome. As you can see, I'm working on it, and I basically just continued coloring in, and I really enjoyed the process because of course I love coloring, and the color scheme looked pretty awesome. I loved it. Okay, so anyways, moving on. Here I just continued coloring in this flower right here, and I think it looks pretty cool. I wanted it to definitely pop out, and every single flower I wanted it to be different, and I'm basically just continuing the same colors from the previous one right there to connect it. And then what I did was I also colored in this beautiful butterfly. I wanted it to match with the flower that I did, that was pink and orange, and I think this butterfly is probably one of my favorite things to color because it looks so beautiful, and I love the colors for this one. It just gives a beautiful sunny vibe and like sunrise vibe, so I really like it, and the colors just go so well together, and I love the shades. I also did use some other markers to add in more shading and stuff. And then here I'm just coloring in the leaves. There were lots of leaves, but then the flowers basically were so colorful, so it definitely popped out very well. So now we're moving on to the last canvas right over here, and in this canvas, as you can see, there's also this beautiful bird right here, which I wanted
it to be colored like super colorful and beautiful, so I wanted it to be like a rosella. So basically that's one of my favorite birds, and it's really colorful and looks like a parrot. So that's what I wanted to do for that, and you will definitely see me doing it in a bit. So I'm just coloring in this flower right here. I continued the same colors, pink and red for this, just to match it up and then make sure the canvas is connecting and going well together. And yeah, pretty much looks super awesome, and it was super relaxing and fun to color. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue coloring in that, and then I basically continued this purple like plant right here, and then coloring in more leaves. There were so many leaves. So yeah, I also did kind of mix up some yellow and some other shades of green to kind of make it pop a little bit more and make all the leaves unique. So now I'm starting on the rosella bird right here that I wanted to color in. I did use a like photo image so I can follow that and make it look identical. So basically I saw that a rosella has some red, and then it moves down to the different colors. So basically a rosella has red, yellow, and green colors. So that's exactly what I did. I basically just kind of tried to blend the colors, but markers weren't really blending that much. But yeah, as you can see, I kind of used these colors. I think it looks pretty good. I actually wanted to add in a little bit of blue, but rosellas don't really have much blue, so I just added like these detailing right here, and yeah. Alright everybody, so as you all can see, I finally finished this super awesome project, and it looks super amazing. As you all can see, I love how the canvases turned out. They all look very beautiful and colorful, and it looks amazing in my bedroom. I've hung it on this wall right over here. So this one right here, as you can see, has this beautiful rosella that I colored in, and then there's these super beautiful flowers, and the leaves obviously look really pretty and bright. Here I have this one right here that I colored in, and this one looks really cool because there's like these beautiful flowers right over here, and then the butterfly right there just looks super amazing. Love the colors. And then for this one right here, I love that flower right there, right over here. This one just looks so beautiful, and I absolutely love it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye everybody!